Can't stop on the bridge, you can't stop on the bridge.
Oh, thank you.
Just trying to find it. I'm on the train track. I'm walking on the train track. I found it. It's down there. Found it. Definitely come back.
Oh.
Oh!
There you go.
Thanks,
Osbornes in Jamaica.
Yep.
Now come look, a map. Now can we just park here?
Yeah.
No!
Well, go on, sir. You alright, mate?
Kids once.
Cool.
Thank
That's
you,
for
sir.
the kids, kiddos.
Big people.
Cheers, mate.
Yes.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Hello.
That's 2,000 and we're all in. Melly's a free one. Woo woo!
Give me palms.
Yay!
Thank you, mate.
Dream Palms! Who's excited? Yay!
Right, I'm looking forward to Streamy Palms, man. Can't wait to get in the stream.
Yeah, we can't wait.
Ting. Wait there. Shit. Oh man, look. We missed the concert. We're only going into this bit. Where are you?
Is it Streamz Palmz?
We've been here before, but last time we came, we didn't really get any like proper footage or nothing like that.
Yeah,
So
we
we're-
came here when we came on holiday in
Yeah.
September.
Yeah. You love swimming, don't you, T?
Yeah.
What? I'm taking you to have. What you say?
Everyone, look at this big reef.
Just mine out.
Wow.
Guys, just be careful where you're walking.
So this is part of it, isn't it?
Yeah. Looks like they're building all these things.
A bloody big old house. Come on, Hazel.
Remember, I'm not the small girl.
I know you are. Theo.
Just be careful what you're doing. Theo, don't go in. Don't go in. Just wait there. Theo, just wait there, and Hazel, wait there. Just Oh crap. Look, there goes Daddy.
And Mum, can I have one of those? And Dad, now can we...
Go on over, Theo.
It's nice. This is a lovely pool.
Theo, wait for Daddy's instruction, okay? Wait. Wait, Hazy.
Is it up? Gee, come in.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, wait there. Gee, don't go past that rock. Stay there. Woo! Being sucked away by the rapids, man. Is it on? This thing here is like a big lump of rock, but it feels like hey! It looks like a log, really. Where's the camera?
You gonna splash? Over here. Come sit here, right next to Hayes. That's it. 1, 2, 3. Look at the Streamz Palmz.
Now we can make it big.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're in your element, aren't you, Theo?
yeah.
Hey! Oh, you're nasty.
You right, Mel?
It's raining everywhere. It's raining Mum, try doing this.
Oh, Hazy, Melly.
Oh, look. Take a photo.
I am. So what do you think of Streamz Palmz at the moment, guys? But there's no sand here, is there?
That's mud.
That's right. It's beautiful. Like, we've got the trees above us.
Yeah.
And isn't it lovely?
And branches and one.
And how are you having fun, Mel? Yeah? Good girl. Yeah, these are water babies. They love the water. Theo loves the water the most, doesn't he?
Yeah, but I get scared.
As you get older, like, confidence will come. We'll probably might even get you some swimming lessons along the way. Theo's the one that really, really loves the water. But you know what's nice about Streamz Palmz as well is, even though it's pretty hot, you're like, the children are covered by the trees and the shade. That's lovely, isn't it? Huh? Good girl. Yeah, look, there's Dada. Look, Melly. Look, Melody, over there. Yes. Careful, careful, good boy. Where did you go? Come tell me about your adventure. Come.
Did you have a nice adventure?
Yeah.
What did you do?
We swim.
Yeah, and what did we do?
Where did you go?
Over there.
Did we do some rapids?
What did you and Daddy do?
Swimming.
So you can swim in this bit. Whoa. Well strong current. Whoa! It's actually pushing me over the edge, man. Whoa! Ah. Hello. I needed a bath. This is, check out the, check out the foam. Guys, mommy. Yeah. Ow. It's quite hard swimming with one arm in a rapid. Oh. There's like a rapid pool right here, look. Whee! Ow! Ow! Oh, yeah, it definitely moves you along. Whee! Oh! Oh, tell you what, it's not as smooth as a water park flume, I can tell you that. That last one, I was not even joking, trust me. My bottom hit a craggy rock just as I was picking up momentum. Woo! Ooh. And that's like a lump of mud there, so I can't actually... I don't know. This bit here is well good. This is probably the best bit. There's like a big open bit of water, and then you've got the canopy, and then you've got this waterfall, which is nice size, right? But not like intimidating. And like it's proper interactive. The water's just... Here you go, Mum. You alright? Who's coming in? You want to go in?
Stop it. Look, can you wave to Hazy? Look. Just be careful, because it's well slippery. The thing. It's alright, don't worry. We'll wash it off in a minute. Don't lick it, don't lick anything. Did you guys have fun in the waterfall?
Maybe we should go on the beach.
Theodore, follow instructions.
And Dad,
Yeah.
can I have my armbands on?
Yeah, we need to, Mummy. I'm just going to film Mummy. Hazy. In a minute, darling. We'll go back up there where it's a bit more. She loves it, doesn't she? Hazy. T, come away from there, man.
Look, there's a stick.
Mom, I said it nice. Goodbye. My height in stick. Goodbye. Let's find it.
There you go.
Thanks, darling.
And Mom.
You two look happy. Mummy. Alright, here you go, Mummy.
Steady, steady. Theo's in nature's jacuzzi.
This is nature's jacuzzi. Are you had enough? Turn around. It's alright, it's okay. It's okay.
Just a bit.
It's a rock. It's a rock. Let go, let go. Put your feet down. You can stand up. That's it. There you go. See, you can stand up. Alright, you had enough in the jacuzzi? Alright, turn around.
Hey, you did it.
There you go, Mum.
He's floating away.
Dad, you're floating away!
Huh?
You're floating away! Stop that! You're at the swim! Swim faster, Daddy! Like we're on walk! Yes, Daddy, Daddy!
This is
Very comfortable here.
Fish in the water, Mum.
Just hold.
Mum, there was fishies
Put
in
one
the
hand on the
water.
ring.
Mummy.
It is cold, it is fresh, but it is beautiful. You know, it's so relaxing here, it's peaceful. Ah! Wait, guys, wait. Stay there, stay there. Mummy and Daddy will get you in a minute, stay there.
Yeah, Mummy, you're right.
Just wait there. You okay? You cold? Okay. Are you alright? Don't want him to like slip and fall. Huh? Huh? Are you coming? He's very happy. Sit down, sit down. The camera, guys. Theo. Theo, look. Say Palm Springs.
It's Streamz Palmz.
Say Streamz Palmz.
Streamz Palmz.
Streamz Palmz.
It's okay. Relax.
Daddy's got you.
Go!
Are you ready?
Swim! I mean,
Right.
Hold Mummy's hand and I'll hold the baby.
what are we doing?
Oh, lovely.
Good way.
That was fun.
Theodore.
Look, this one, like little tree, why don't you jog round it to get warm?
Dad, get this. Get, Mom, can we go with that? Dad, don't forget this.
Look at me, guys. Melly, look. Wait.
Alright.
Look at Mummy. Let me put my monies down.
Oh wow. I've never seen so many teeth. Oh wow. Yeah, so we're finished at Palm White. Misha keeps calling it Palm Springs. Streamz Palmz. We're finished. So we're here. So recommend it. That's a, I don't know what that is.
Theo.
Someone tell me what them weird fruits are. They're probably not weird to you, but I don't know what the heck they are. Look, there's a plantain.
Yeah.
So that's cool.
Melody, you gonna do some dancing on stage?
Yeah, do you want me to get up there? Because I'm a dance artist as well. Nah. She's got a... Alright. Oh wow, you two are performing artists. I need to climb across that tree.
Is it recording? Hold on. Yeah, go on. Say go, Daddy. Say go, Daddy. Go, Daddy. Are you going all the way? Does it feel sturdy?
No, it's wobbly as hell, man.
Oh, okay. Don't break it now. Oh no! Oh no! The viewers, this is where the viewers switch off. Be careful. Be careful.
Of course I did.
Just be careful. Just be careful.
I did.
Take your time, Haze. Take your time.
Did you get it?
Ooh! It's okay.
Quick.
Sorry.
Oh, well. Why don't we want to do what? We're going this way. So how long did we spend there? Like a little over an hour?
Yeah.
Here.
And we could have stayed for longer. It's getting a bit busier. I've left my phone at Streamz Palmz because I'm an absolute idiot. I put it on a rock.
We're just driving out and Toby was like, oh, can you get my phone out for filming? And I was like, where is it? And he's like, it's in the bag. And I was like, no, it's not. The last time I saw it, you had it on the side. We are racing back there now, although you can't really race because the roads, you know, aren't in a good way. But we're heading back there now and hoping it's still there.
I'm a complete fool. Again, I was too gassed up, too excited, and I've been filming and put it down on the side, thinking I'll pick it up in a moment, and then I haven't. So I'm just really hopeful that it's there. We'll see in a minute. I'm just gonna run in and ask him to see if like I can go in because I left my phone there. The chances of it being there are slim to none, but you know, we're
Gotta try.
gotta go back. It was right at the beginning when we went in. We were there for like over an hour.
Phone's been on its own for what, like an hour and a half.
Yeah. The only thing is it's on like a rock that is like
high
a
up,
bit
isn't
out
it?
of the way and quite high up. So if you're not going into that bit, then you probably wouldn't see it because it's like perched and almost semi-hidden. That's why I put it there, but not completely hidden. So if you just like happen to be on that bit, which there's loads of people there climbing around rocks and that, then you will see it. I'm going, where am I going? Straight up?
Yeah, keep going.
All right, I'm just gonna run in.
Yeah. Oh,
What?
nothing.
I'll see you in a minute, yeah?
All right, good luck.
Yeah.
There he goes. Oh, bless him. He's feeling a bit worried, obviously, because it's his phone and you can see him running. He's running. Should still be there, but we'll see. Otherwise, Daddy's going to have to buy a new phone. Streamz Palmz. And? Yay!
Jeez.
Well done.
Praise God.
Well done. So,
It's had to sprint there.
well done. Is it red
Absolute-
hot?
Yes, absolutely packed there, right?
Yeah.
But down by the bit where the bridge is, right there,
Yeah.
no one really goes in that bit anyway.
Yeah.
One, and two, it was up on a rock really high up, and you can't actually get up onto the rocks, it's so high. And put it up on there. So, praise Jah.
But 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 10. But 1 plus 3.
Thought you didn't want to go tomorrow. Sorry, Don, you're on.
All right. Who's ready for some food? Oh, Melody. Isn't it nice here? You getting ready to eat? Where'd you go? Where'd you wait? Oh, come. Ooh. Come then. Come over here. So this is the menu. Oh, Hazy. What do you want to eat? Oh. Okay. Looking. Do you want to get the... So I think we're going to get Murray's curried go, and then we'll probably get the chicken wings so everyone can like eat a little bit.
Yeah, look at Murray's. Never been Murray's, man. So you have to wait for the chicken wings, but the curry goat is a medium, so...
Curry goat it is.
This is Murray's.
You alright, Mel? Should I get anything extra? Should I get them fries? No?
I wouldn't know.
Okay. Should I get a drink? I didn't even think. Thank you.
Looks a bit like a new one. Look, I think it's nothing.
Murray's. Streamz Palmz and Murray's, the ultimate day out.
Yeah.
If you're on the south coast, you should get yourself down to Streamz Palmz.
And then
Streamz
opposite
Palmz and then Murray's.
for an Murray's.
We'll
You
be
can go from one literally to the other.
I'm going to be doing this every weekend.
Toilet, yes. Where's the toilet?
Oh, well, it's down there, the restrooms.
It's alright if you take her.
What?
Just
Me?
because you know where it is. And forward to our food. Steve, come. Are you looking forward to your food? So we're looking forward to eating our lovely food. Ready? Talk.
Yeah, we're getting some food.
Here you go, Mel. So Melly's just eating our festival. Good girl. Nice? Good girl. Come here.
Between them.
So it took about what, 5 minutes?
Yeah,
Not long at all.
yeah, that's well quick, isn't it? How's the festival,
How's
Hazel?
the festival time? Really yummy. Yeah,
Theo.
okay?
Check out my top. The shoulder's gone now, so now I'm showing a bit of shoulder. Do you know what I mean? Sexy and that. You know what I mean?
Guys, tell him to put it away.
Sexy and that.
Put it away, Dad.
What did you say to me?
Put it away.
You cheeky little smelly. Man.
Right, we ready? I'm going to take it away. We're going to get some water. Yeah.
So we're outside, just outside on like the Devon ice. What's it called? I Craze at Murray. It's like Devon ice cream, but it ain't. It's called I.
They do. They say Devon House ice cream sold there as well.
Oh wait, so it is Devon House ice cream as well.
Good right there.
Yeah, I was literally just reading the exact same sign.
Are you going to try some, mate?
This is the first time at Murray's. Do you know what I'm surprised at?
Go on.
That the Murray's isn't spelt with a Z. Like Streamz Palmz. What's that then, Mummy?
Here we go.
Well done, Hazel.
I know, mate. It's a
Come
joke.
here, T.
I don't care.
He doesn't care, apparently.
Alright, in a minute, Hazel. Go on, Melody.
Is this your first?
Go on, Melody. Get some more rice.
Your first Murray's
Go on.
curry go.
There you go, look.
Yeah, in a minute. Murray's sign. So I want to get the sign in, obviously, and the thing here. Yeah, in a minute. I'm trying to get a bit of filming in. Because I'm getting some good shots in, man. Yeah, what? Huh? Oh, how much was
He was one.
Where did he go? Oh, he's there. Cool, what a pretty bird. Murray's. Big up Murray's. I'm at Murray's. Murray's.
So who's had a good day? So we decided to not go the toll road way and whoop,
So it's a little bit in the middle where it's not.
go the more scenic route.
We're going the freeway.
Yeah.
The way that's free. the way where you don't have to pay, which only makes sense. It takes us, do you know what? It's quicker on the free road.
No, it's not. It's the same basically.
Actually, no, you're right. It's not quicker. It's 1 minute slower.
So it's basically the same whether you use the toll road or not. So as Tobes is driving, being brave and like he's not brave. He's like more confident in driving than me. So he's happy to drive the free route, whereas I probably would have driven on the toll road.
Look, man, this is that where? I think that's where it is. Oh, look, let's just.
Children are in the car.
I know. I'm just
You
gonna.
can get out if you
I'm
want
just
to.
gonna have a quick peek.
Toby's done one of his stops again. We're pulled up.
I haven't
Where
found
are
a
we
cat.
here? He's not found a cat this time, but he's found something beautiful that he wants to show
No,
you.
apparently you have to cross at the train bridge, which is
Really?
which is
What,
just
like drive the car over?
yeah.
Ah,
Yeah. Look, this is St. Toolies. Look, crossway stop. We're only gonna have a little. We're just gonna poke our nose in. You know what I mean?
ooh.
I'm gonna ask some locals.
See a dirty dog there.
Film me doing this.
Uh-oh.
I'm just gonna ask these women. There's a brownie.
Yeah.
Excuse me, can I ask you a quick question? Good afternoon. Where's the you know the bit by the down there? Thank you so much.
Woo! Thank you. They knew exactly what you was after.
Yeah, of course she did. She's like, this guy.
There's only one place he's going.
Yeah, so film the strip, darling. Alright, so film me for a second. We're not even gonna stop, we're just literally checking it out for next time. Because I want to come down here again and it's a bit quicker and you don't have to pay. Do you know what I'm saying?
We like a free stop, as you guys have probably guessed.
I just can't afford to pay to go into thingy every weekend. Do you know what I mean? That's like today's like a once a month
Type of a trip.
Yeah, like once in a while. We ain't really done anything since we had do you know what I mean? Since the hacking thing, so
we need a pick-me-up, don't we?
Yeah,
Pick-me-up type of a stop.
Going out and living life and having a nice time makes like all the difference. If you're stuck
You're right, Mel.
Is she alright?
Yes, you are fine. You're just trying to get out to the car seat.
Yeah, so this is where my mate said to go. He said you have to cross at the train bridge.
Ah.
That's what he said.
Alright, okay.
My boy. But Rastafari on the gate.
Ooh,
Okay, you need an off-road vehicle to get there though.
That piece of information was left out.
Okay, the car.
Wow, the
Now
car
there's festival everywhere.
was bouncing and yes, almost lost my Murray's.
Oh look, Murray's.
Oh wow.
Talk about Murray.
That's weird, isn't it?
Look, Muzzers is here, man. Big up Murray's.
Melody. Yeah, da. We don't even know where we're driving or where Toby's taking
Going
us
down to
to.
St. Toolies River. But
Yeah.
we're not staying, we're just checking it out. Because we've never been here before, so I want to see what kind of a vibe it is. And it looks decent. Oh man, look. Right, I'm running over this wall here just to check it out.
Up the train
Yeah, I'm just going to go over the train track. Right, back in a sec. Just trying to find it. I'm on the train track. Ah, there it is. I found it. It's down there. I'm walking on the train track. Found it. Definitely come back. Looks absolutely wicked there, to be fair. We're gonna go to that one next time. It's got like yeah, it looks cool, man. We might need a fixer or a guide though. I might. Don't know. That's the car park there. Yeah, you right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks well vibesy. It goes down and it's all there. And there's like stands.
Go on.
Can't stop on the bridge, you can't stop on the bridge.
Oh, thank you. We're just on our way home from Streamz Palmz, and we thought we'll stop in Mandeville. Toby needs a latte, needs a coffee. He's not had one this morning. And we come into Best Level, and we just remembered as well that they got the World Cup on, so we're going to stop and watch the second half. And it's the opening day here as well, so they've got a bit of music, a bit of food, a bit going on. Whee. Oh, thank you. What did we get? We got the children some chips. Hold on, I'll help you up. Wait, because it's hot. And then Tobe's latte. Melody! Melody! Hold on, hey. Yeah.
Hey. I'm just going to say that in a video. Yeah, so we're out like just over football watching an ice cream coffee bar, and it's like there's like a DJ here and stuff. It's quite busy. And just so people know, like, we're here as a family. It's really busy. Actually, you can't see, but it is actually like busy and it's really busy.
Thanks, Hazel.
But it's completely and utterly calm. And
it's a nice atmosphere.
Yeah, nice atmosphere, very welcoming, friendly, blah blah blah. Like, we're out on a Sunday afternoon, really busy, completely cool. The vibe's really relaxed, nice, safe, beautiful. Yes or no?
Oh yes.
Like, seriously, that's what I don't want it to come on camera and just say that. Yeah, I did. Why are you looking all funny?